Not only this, the talented students of our school prayers were recognized by the MP Government School Education Department, and the 8 meritorious students of our school were awarded Merit Scholarship in Kudo by School and Games Federation of India. They were given a cash incentive by Joint Director of Education, Shri R.N. Shukla, on 29th August 2019. They are Master Ashutosh Sinha, Master Amarjeet Singha, Ms. Mayuri Rana, Ms. Mabin Soni, Ms. Gitika Patel, Master Dhammaratna Kamble, Ms. Priyanka Ekka, and Ms. Shruti Tripathi. These students were given a cash incentive of 10,000, 7,500 and 5,000 respectively. We believe that excellence is not a skill, but an attitude. Our children not only exhibited their caliber in sports, but made their mark in literary and co-curricular activities as well. APS Sagar secured first position in Inter-Army Public School cluster-level English debate competition, where 6 other APSs participated. Likewise, our Hindi debate team stood second in cluster-level Hindi debate competition, and Master Pranav Gupta was awarded as the best interjector in the Hindi debate competition. Students from class 5th to 10th participated in Mind War contest conducted online by Z Entertainment Enterprise, and Master Divyansh Sen of class 10th was awarded as the best performing student in Sagar. More than 800 students participated in various Olympiads which were organized by Science Olympiad Foundation. As of now, the results of GK and English Olympiads have already been declared. Master U.D. Ram Prasad of class 10 and Ms. Vaishnavi Upadhyay of class 9 has secured 16th zonal rank in the same. Not only this, 110 other students have bagged gold, silver and bronze medals respectively. To inculcate the feeling of patriotism, unity and discipline amongst our students, we are running NCC for Senior and Junior Division Best Cadet of the Year by NCC Group Headquarters. Our NCC cadets have been attending various NCC camps and have been participating in various social services being organized time and again. 2 of our NCC cadets, Ms. Snehi Rathore of class 8 and Ms. Jyoti Kushwaha of class 8, participated in a debate competition organized by NCC Group Headquarters, in which they both secured first and second position. We believe that co-curricular activities are essential ingredients to the overall education process. Therefore, I urge
you're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, hey, Tamina, Sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Tamina, hey, waka, waka, hey, Tamina, Sangalewa, this time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line, y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go and feed them, this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, oh, oh. When you get down, get up, hey. Tamina, Sangalewa, it's time for Africa. Tamina, hey, waka, waka, hey. Tamina, Sangalewa, Tamina, hey, waka, waka, hey. Tamina, Sangalewa, it's time for Africa. Biggie, mama, what's A to Z? I see so I'm a journey, biggie, mama, from east to west. I see waka, my waka, my this is Amazimu, yeah. This is Africa. time for Africa.
Participants, we can see that they are collecting the vegetables.
गर्ल्स आप लोगों को ये नहीं करना
And the leading position is Gandhi House. And we have the winner with us. It is Gandhi House. Please give a huge round of applause for Gandhi House. Oh, the race has started. I would once again like the audience to cheer up for the participants. We can see that they're bursting up the balloons. And Tagore House is leading. And we have the winner. We have the winner with us. It is Gandhi House. And here it goes. The race has started. Please, audience, cheer up for the participants. How surprising. The Santas are collecting gifts instead of distributing them to the audience. Please begins. Right now at the leading position is Tagore House. They are now collecting the gifts, audience. Please cheer up. And we have the winner with us. It is Vivekananda House.
Set! And here it goes. Our little doctor is rushing to treat the patient. I bet they have good patience. Audience, please cheer the nurses. We can see that Tagore is in a hurry. And Tagore House is leading. Followed by Nehru House and then Gandhi House. And we have the winner with us. It is Tagore House. Tagore House is the front.
The nurses are rushing to fix their dolls.
And the way of treating the patient is really specialized.
We can see that Gandhi House is in a hurry. Oh, Vivekananda House is leading.
And we have the winner with us. It is Vivekananda House.
Vivekananda House is the front runner of the race. Please give a huge round of applause for Vivekananda House.
की प्राप्ति का माध्यम है, जैसे धर्म, अर्थ, काम और मोक्ष। और इसके लिए स्वास्थ्य ही मूलतः आवश्यक है। एक स्वस्थ शरीर के बिना जीवन में कुछ भी प्राप्त नहीं किया जा सकता। और अगर कर भी लिया जाए तो उसका आनंद नहीं लिया जा सकता। With this, I'd like to introduce you to our students of classes 3rd to 8th to demonstrate this metaphysical journey.
दृढ़ता च विस्थैर्य धैर्य च लाघवम प्रत्यक्षम च निर्लिप्तम च घटस्य शब्द साधनम। योग के अभ्यास से शरीर की शुद्धि, दृढ़ता, स्थिरता, धैर्य, हल्कापन और सत्य की अनुभूति होती है। समदोषः समग्निश्च समधातु मलक्रिय प्रसन्न आत्मेन्द्रिय मनः स्वस्थ इत्युभिधीयते। शरीर के समस्त दोषों को, अग्नि को, धातु को, मन, इंद्रिय, ये जब सभी स्वस्थ रहते हैं तब स्वास्थ्य की पूरी परिभाषा पूर्ण होती है और योग इसको प्राप्त कराने वाला है। योग लभते स्वास्थ्यम दीर्घ आयुष्यम बलम सुखम आरोग्यम परम भाग्यम स्वास्थ्यम सर्वार्थ साधनम। योग के अभ्यास से दीर्घ आयु प्राप्त होती है, बल बढ़ता है, सुख की अनुभूति होती है और रोगों से मुक्ति मिलती है। आसन, आसन, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, धारणा, ध्यान और समाधि अष्टांग योग के अंतर्गत। अगले अभ्यास में उच्च यौगिक अभ्यासों का प्रदर्शन। दोनों पैर सिर के ऊपर, एक पैर सिर के ऊपर और दोनों पैर ऊपर। व्याघ्रासन, अगले अभ्यास में दोनों पैरों के अंदर से सिर को निकालना और दोनों पैरों को कान के पीछे लगाना। दोनों पैर सामने। बकासन, कपोतासन, भ्रामरी प्राणायाम। स्मरण और एकाग्रता के लिए
योग के स्पर्श से अब योग में करना है तन मन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननन प्राण गुण।
अगले अभ्यास में भूनमनासन, चक्रासन, शशांकासन। लंबे समय का अनुभव और कठिन परिश्रम के बाद इतनी सरलता से ये अभ्यास प्राप्त होते हैं।
उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी, उतरे मुझ में आदि योगी।
मार्जरी आसन के ऊपर चक्रासन, अनुभव और संतुलन। सामने शीर्षासन और पदम्बकासन, पदम्भ्रष्टिकासन का अभ्यास, कठिन अभ्यास। दोनों हाथों के बल शरीर का संतुलन। आयुवलम वीर्य तेजस तेसाम च जायते अकाल मृत्यु हरणम सर्व व्याधि विनाशनम। योग के अभ्यास से शरीर में तेज बढ़ता है। अगले अभ्यास में द्विपाद स्कंधासन। दोनों पैरों को बड़ी कुशलता के साथ सिर के पीछे बांध लेना। पूर्ण चक्रासन और उच्च धनुरासन। आगे व्याघ्रासन और शवासन। कठिन और सरलता का तालमेल। मुड़ सकते हैं। टिटभी आसन, दोनों हाथों के बल पूरे शरीर को हवा में प्रदर्शित। और मकरासन, एक बार पूर्ण भ्रष्टिकासन, दोनों हाथों के बल। और चक्रासन, पूर्ण चक्रासन। योग का अंतिम प्रणाम।